here's how to multiply decimals. Let's suppose I want to multiply 0.53 times 2.4. So the usual method for multiplying decimals is to remove the decimal points and multiply the whole numbers that result from removing the decimal points. So we'll have 53 times 24. So let's do 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 1, 21. And then we'll multiply 20 by 53. So write down a 0, and then 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 5 is 10. And then add these two numbers. We get 1, 2, 7, 2. And then we count the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in each of our decimal numbers. So we'll have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So that's 3 in total. And then we move the decimal point that number of places from the right leftwards. So move it 1 place, 2 places, 3 places. So the decimal point will go right here. So the answer is 1.272. But why does this work? It's all well and good to try and apply a rule and remember it, but it's much easier to remember a rule if you know why it works. So what is 0.53? Well, we could express that as the fraction 53 divided by 100, because it's 53 100ths. And then we are multiplying by 2.4. So if we write that as a fraction with whole numbers, we'll have 24 over 10, because it's 24 tenths. And so we've got 53 times 24 in the numerator and 100 times 10 in the denominator. Remember, we're multiplying the numerators, multiplying the denominators, as we learned in a previous video. 53 times 24, well, that was what we did over here. That came to 1,272. And then 100 times 10 is 1,000. And so if we divide 1,272 by 1,000, what we're doing is we're moving the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places. When we're dividing by 1,000, there's 3 zeros in 1,000, so we're moving the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places. So that justifies why this method over here works. Multiply the whole numbers after we've removed the decimal points, count the number of digits to the right of the decimal points, so we have 3, and then move the decimal point in the answer that number of places to the left.